Hello students, in this video of adjectives we are going to learn about adjectives. Adjectives, as the name itself suggests, add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. To understand adjective what they are, we should do a quick activity. Try to describe the images given below. Here is the picture of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The words that appear in our mind the moment we think about the personality are famous. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a famous personality. He is an Indian. He is calm by nature. He is clever. He is active and skillful. All these words in a bubble describe the personality Dhoni. Now next image is the image of the tiger. The words that switch on in our mind the moment we will see the image are fast, brave, energetic, cunning and striped. These words in the bubble describe the tiger. It is a fast animal, brave animal, it is energetic also, cunning and striped. Since they describe the image tiger, so they are adjectives. Next, see the image of red food. The words that click in our mind the moment we see the image are ancient. Red Fort is an ancient building. It is beautiful. It is red in color. It is a huge building. It's royal in look. So these words in the bubble, ancient, beautiful, red, huge and royal, describe the building Red Fort. See the next image. This is the image of the ring. The moment we see the image, the words that will appear in our mind are round, golden, costly, stylish. The ring is no doubt round in shape, golden in color, costly, looks costly and stylish. So the words in the bubble round, golden, costly and stylish describe the ring, sorry. So they are adjectives. Definition of adjective: words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or a thing are called adjectives. Adjectives describe or modify a noun or pronoun by telling their quality, quantity, number, kind, ownership, etc. Adjective is usually placed before a noun or a pronoun. Noun. I covered noun in detail in my previous video. If you haven't watched the video yet, you can watch it by clicking on I button. Now pronouns are the words. See, pronouns are the words used in place of noun. Example of pronoun are he, she, it, they. Now see this example. He is an intelligent boy. What type of boy he is? Intelligent. In the word intelligent tells about the quality or describe the boy. In some cases, adjective can be placed after noun. For example, the grass is green. Here, green is used after noun, that is grass. What is the color of the grass? It is green in color. When several adjectives are attached to one noun, they are sometimes placed after it for emphasis. Example: the soldier, brave and fearless, went ahead. Here see, brave and fearless are the adjectives or describing words used for soldier, noun, and these words are used after the noun soldier. There are 7 kinds of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective and proper adjective. Now there is a trick to remember all 7 kinds of adjective. What you have to do, you just have to learn this sentence. A number of postmen demand prices in large quantity for their quality work. The word number denotes number of adjective. Postman. The word post will remind us of possessive adjective. Demand. Dam will remind us of demonstrative adjective. Price. For proper adjective. Then in reminds us of interrogative adjective. Quantity denotes adjective of quantity, and quality denotes adjective of quality. Now adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, as the name itself suggests. Adjectives that show quality or kind of a noun or pronoun are called adjectives of quality. They indicate shape, size, color of person, animal, place, or a thing. They answer the question what kind of the noun, pronoun they describe. Examples. The boy is intelligent. What kind of boy is he? He is an intelligent boy. The word intelligent will describe the noun boy. The ball is big. How is the ball? What type of ball it is? It is a big ball. So the word big here describes the quality of the ball. He has worn a red dress. What is the color of the dress? The color of the dress is red. So the color red describes the noun dress here. We will learn about adjective of quantity. These adjectives tell about the quantity or amount of a noun or pronoun they describe. They answer the question how much. They are used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are those nouns which can't be counted. For example, salt, sand, and water. These are the nouns which cannot be counted. Some adjectives of quantity are some, most, enough, much, all, little, no, etc. Here are some examples. There is some milk in the glass. Now the question is how much milk? Some milk. Some here describes the milk. There is enough water in the jug. How much water? Enough water. Enough here describes the quantity of water. Most of the oil got spilled. How much oil got spilled? Most. Most of the. Most here describes the oil got spilled. Adjectives of number. As the name itself suggests, these adjectives tell about the number of noun or pronoun. They answer the question how many. They are used with countable nouns. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted. For example, 3 apples, 5 balls, 6 cars. Since they can be counted, they are known as adjective of number. Some adjective of number are many, several, few, next, last, every, both, and either. They are also numbers like 1, 2, 3 and first, second, third, fourth. These also can be used as the adjective of numbers and they answer the question how many. Example of adjective of number are both Mohan and Sohan are present today. how many are present today? Both Mohan and Sohan, these two are present. So both here is the adjective of number. There are 3 apples in the basket. Children, how many apples are there in the basket? They are 3. So 3 here describes the word apples. Many tourists came to visit the Taj Mahal today. How many tourists? Many. Many here describes the number of the tourists. Exceptions with these adjectives. Some adjectives like some, sufficient, few can be used for both countable and uncountable nouns. The examples are, there is some water in the glass. So here it is some is used with uncountable noun water. See next example. Some students have arrived late. Here some is used with countable noun. Some students. How many students? Some students. So some can be used both uncountable and countable nouns. Now the next kind is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are those adjectives that point out a noun or a pronoun. They answer the question which or which ones. Some demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those, such, certain, etc. Examples. This boy stole my watch. Which boy? This boy. So this is demonstrative adjective as it describes the boy. See this example now. That bottle is mine. Which one? Which bottle? That bottle. So that here describes the bottle noun. So it is demonstrative adjective. Those paintings are very nice. Which ones? Those ones. So those here is the adjective of is demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Adjectives that are used along with nouns or pronouns to ask question are called interrogative adjectives. Some interrogative adjectives are whose, what, which, as they help in asking question. Examples. Which book will you buy? So which here asks about the book. Whose pen is lost? Whose asks about the pen. Whose pen? So this is interrogative adjective. What is your name? What here asks about the name of a person. So what is interrogative adjective here? Possessive adjective. As the word possessive itself suggests, it indicates about the possession. Adjectives that show possession or belonging are possessive adjectives. They answer the question whose. Some possessive adjectives are my, our, your, his, her, its, their, etc. Examples. His books are on the table. Whose books? His books. His here shows the possession. Their performance was really good. Whose performance? Their performance. So there is here possessive adjective. Our house is big. Whose house is big? Our house. So our here describes the possession of the house. The last kind is proper adjectives. The adjectives that are formed by an addition with the proper noun are proper adjectives. They answer the question which. Some proper adjectives are Indian curry, British writer, American player, etc. Examples. the Indian team won the match. Which team won the match? Indian. So Indian describes the team of India. American poet wrote many poems. Which poets? American. So American is proper adjective here since it is formed with proper noun, that is America. The people who live in America are Americans. I love to eat Italian food. Which food? Italian food. Italian here is formed from the proper noun, that is those who live in Italy are known as Italian. So which food? Italian food. Italian here is proper adjective here since it is formed by proper noun, that is Italy. That's all in this video. In my next video, I will explain you about degrees of comparison regarding adjectives. Thanks for watching.